Hi, this is Dan with Sharpening Supplies, and today I'm here to show you the different machines offered by Tormek and help you decide which one would be the right one for you. You may realize that Tormek has multiple machines. We have the big, versatile, and professional quality T8. We have the smaller but still versatile T4, and we have the very specialized T2. First machine is Tormek's flagship T8. This is the machine to look at if you are a serious tool user or if you are sharpening professionally. This machine has got the most versatility of any of the Tormek machines. It has the largest wheels, it has the most options in wheels to choose from. It can handle every jig that Tormek makes. It always comes with two jigs, the diamond tip stone truing tool and the square edge jig for chisels and plane blades. And this machine also has a continual service duty. You can run this machine all day, every day, and it is built for it. Finally, the Tormek T8 has a 7-year warranty that specifically covers commercial use. Next, let's look at the T4. This machine is very similar to the T8, but on a smaller scale, and is perfect for the home knife sharpener or lighter hobbyist sharpener of tools. It has the same features as the T8, but a smaller wheel, smaller water trough. This machine can do pretty much everything the T8 can. You'll notice it does not come with the square edge jig or the diamond tipped truing tool, but is an excellent and economical way to get a very good sharpener if the T8 offers more than what you need. And finally, let's look at the T2. This is a specialized machine. It sharpens knives and only knives. This is the machine to consider if you are sharpening commercial kitchen knives on the job, especially if you're in a fast-paced environment with multiple people who need to use the sharpener. This machine focuses on being fast and efficient. All the jigging is included on board. There's no water trough to worry about. This machine can quickly get a good edge back on your knife and get you back to work. So there you have the Tormek T8, T4, and T2. For more information, follow the link below to sharpeningsupplies.com.